I realized what is the main basic that I would need to teach a friend. I would need to teach to probably a student in the future. Joining together all of these topics. So that's why one of my goal as well is to really make you start right by giving you what is needed. Yung kailangan nyo talaga. That could make you profitable in the future. Kasi of course, you will meet a lot of YouTube. This will be a very good strategy. It will teach you another indicator. But did you know that all those indicators, there would be no holy grail indicator out there. There would be no strategy 100% sure and without the proper foundation. So that's why for tonight, my objective for tonight is would walk you through how would you start with the right mindset, the market cycle, and how would you approach the market by its emotions. I will teach you the proper technical analysis and how to become a smart trader and how to plot basic charting session.